The foundation of every nation is the education of its youth. Maharashtra Education Society has arisen on the rock-solid foundation of Kriyevina Vachalata Vyartha Ahe, that is, action speaks louder than words. MES is one of the oldest educational institutions established in 1860 at Pune. It gives us extreme pleasure to announce post-centennial Diamond Jubilee in year 2020. With an intention to impart national education, वामन प्रभाकर भावे, आद्य क्रांतिवीर वासुदेव बळवंत फडके, लक्ष्मण नरहर इंदापूरकर laid the foundation of MES. The city of Panvel is a hub of education with schools and colleges in all the faculties. With the changing times, the demands of English medium, quality education increase and star has risen in the form of Adya Krantivir Vasudev Balwant Phadke Vidyalaya, a multi-purpose spectacular building situated at New Panvel.
Hello all, welcome to my school, Adya Krantivir Vasudev Balwant Phadke Vidyalaya, New Panvel, English Medium. Thank you.
The institute has provided huge playground assuring the physical development of the students. Sports play a great role in our life as it keeps us healthy, wealthy and active. With this objective, we have Krida Vardhini and Krida Mahotsav sports activities. Smart classrooms to provide students with an enriched learning experience by projecting visual elements. Prosperous library with more than 5,000 books. Well-equipped science laboratory and STEM's mini science center. A grand auditorium for recreational activities, celebrations and for daily assembly purpose. The high-tech computer lab to keep students abreast with latest technology. Dedicated counseling department to promote socio-emotional well-being and to recognize the early onset of mental health issues of students. Expert guidance for students and orientation program for parents. Field visits and picnics were arranged to help the students to increase their practical knowledge. Theme-based annual gathering on social issues like Save Environment, Unity in Diversity, My India, My Pride.
Hello, my name is Sheetal Jnaneshwar Salunkhe and I am very delighted to be the headmistress of Maharashtra Education Society's Adya Krantivir Vasudev Balwant Phadke Vidyalaya, English Medium. Our school values academic excellence, progressive thinking and innovation. I am driven by my desire to see every student flourish. To provide safe environment for the students, we provide services like biometric attendance, school mobile app and CCTV surveillance. A child that is well balanced is a child that will flourish. Hence, we emphasize on focusing and developing not only IQ but also the EQ of our students. We inculcate values like humanity, patriotism, perseverance and culture by conducting variety of activities. In all, we focus on harmonious and holistic development of our students who are the future citizens of our nation.
Hi, let me share our experience about AVB Phadke School. Educated and highly qualified teachers.
Fee structure as per the norms and easy to interact with teachers and HM.
The school has a state board, but they have incorporated CBSE syllabus for maths, science and English. We love AVB Phadke School.
Very proud to be the student of AVB Phadke Vidyalaya because the sweet bond between all of us. Because the staff at my school are very friendly and they take care of us like our parents. Our teachers make sure that we should reach to our potential and they encourage us to do right things always. Everything that I learn here will be in my mind and in my heart forever. Thank you.
Hello everyone, blessed to study in the best school of the city. And my school name is Adya Krantiveer Vasudev Balwant Phadke Vidyalaya. My school teachers are very kind and caring towards everyone. Along with academics, extracurricular activities are also organized by our school. School is my second home and a platform to do better in life. I love my school very much and I take pride in being student of such a great school. Thank you.
शाळेतील सर्व क्लास टीचर मुलांकडे व्यवस्थितपणे लक्ष देऊन शिकवत आहेत. कोरोना पिरियडमध्ये सुद्धा कितीतरी अडचणी असताना पण या शाळेचे ऑनलाईन क्लास अगदी व्यवस्थितपणे आणि त्याच्या सिलेबसनुसार चालू आहे. हे कौतुकास्पद आहे. तसेच पालकांबरोबर सुद्धा चांगला समन्वय साधला जातो. थँक्स टू ऑल टीचर अँड स्टाफ ऑफ आद्य क्रांतिवीर वासुदेव बळवंत फडके स्कूल, न्यू पनवेल.